Okay, so I'm in the middle of a project and a half over here, but doing the painting part, I want to show you something that's so amazing. It blew my mind. It's so simple but amazing. Let's go and check it out. It's a paint can with a spout built in. You don't have to like buy special little lids that go snap on or this and that. It's the actual lid that comes with the can. Okay, it's from with the Behr paint over at Home Depot. Home Depot's the only place that sells this. Okay, can't believe it took so long to figure this out. So you get your paint color mixed up, you get your can here, and at the counter, you gotta make sure to get one of the spouts, okay? Here it is. And you use the spout to take the cap off. So that locks in there and just, boom, see, unscrews. You screw the spout on. There you go. I mean, so simple. It's like, why did it take so long to figure that out? And then when you're done with it, if you're done painting, you're like, you can take and rinse that off if you want. Take your cap, screw it right back on. Look at this, almost no mess. It's so perfect. Guys, so amazing.